Right now, someone just panic sold their entire portfolio at a loss. Someone else is bragging about timing the market perfectly. And somewhere, someone just quietly became a millionaire. Not by luck, not by gambling, but by evolving through 7 distinct levels of investing.
Here's what most people get completely wrong about the stock market. They think it's about picking winners, finding the next Tesla, timing the perfect entry. But in truth, the stock market is a mirror. It reflects your discipline, your emotions, your mindset, and most importantly, your level. Because here's the thing, everyone moves through these 7 levels. The difference between staying broke and building generational wealth is knowing which level you're stuck at and how to climb. So by the end of this video, you'll diagnose exactly where you are, and I'll show you the exact move you need to make to level up. Let's begin.
Level 1. The Gambler. This is where 90% of beginners start, and honestly, it's basically a casino. The mindset here, I'm gonna get rich fast. You're buying meme stocks because someone on Twitter said they're going to the moon. You're chasing hot tips. You're investing based on vibes, not valuations. And here's the trap. Every time you win, you think you're a genius. Every time you lose, the market's rigged. But the truth is, you're just mistaking luck for skill. So here's your move to level 2. Stop guessing, start learning. Learn what a stock actually is, what earnings mean, why valuation matters. Replace the noise with knowledge.
Level 2, the Saver. Congratulations, you've leveled up. You're no longer gambling. Now your mindset is, I just want something safe. You buy blue chip stocks, maybe an index fund. You set it and forget it because, well, that's what smart people do, right? Here's the trap, though. Blind faith. You're not investing with a plan. You don't know when to invest, why you're investing, or what your actual goals are. You just know stocks equal good. And because you're so scared of risk, your returns barely beat inflation. So here's your level 3 move. Build a system. Set automatic contributions. Understand compound interest. Learn why time beats timing. You're not just saving anymore. You're building a foundation. Level 3, the Trader. All right, now you're feeling dangerous. Your mindset, I can beat the market. You've learned the charts, RSI, MACD, Fibonacci retracements. Yeah, you know what those are now. You buy the dip, sell the rip, and sometimes you win big. But here's the trap. Overconfidence, revenge trading, one bad streak and your whole strategy falls apart because you're still trading with emotion, not execution. Here's your level 4 move. Create strict rules. Risk only 1 to 2% per trade. Journal every decision. Track your win rate. The pros don't predict the future, they manage risk. Level 4. The Investor. Now we're talking. You've matured. Your mindset is, I'm building wealth, not chasing it. You understand businesses, not just tickers. You read annual reports, listen to earnings calls. You know the difference between price and value. You're thinking in years, not days. But here's the trap. Falling in love with a stock, or worse, a CEO. You forget to rebalance. You ignore red flags because you're emotionally attached. So here's your level 5 move. Think long-term, but adapt quarterly. Review your holdings. Rebalance across sectors. Stay rational. You're not married to these stocks. You're investing with purpose. Level 5. The Strategist. This is where most financial advisors live. And honestly, it's where most people should be. Your mindset is, my portfolio is a system. You're allocating between growth, value, dividends, and bonds. You understand tax implications, risk tolerance, time horizon. Your money isn't random anymore. It's engineered. But here's the trap: over-engineering. You're chasing perfect diversification, 50 different holdings, 7 asset classes. And ironically, complexity kills clarity. Level 6 move: simplify to amplify. Focus on what aligns with your life goals, not just maximum diversification. Fewer positions, more conviction, more clarity. Level 6. The capital allocator. You're no longer just an investor. You're a business owner. Your mindset? My money should work like a business. You're investing beyond public markets, private equity, startups, real estate. You understand how capital flows create opportunity. You see what others don't. But here's the trap: spreading too wide, forgetting due diligence. You're so excited about new opportunities that you forget to vet them properly. Level 7 move. Think like a CEO of your capital. Every dollar must have a job, a purpose, a return target. You're not just investing anymore, you're allocating with intention.
Level 7, the legacy investor. This is the final level, and honestly, not many people reach it. Your mindset is, my portfolio outlives me. You're thinking about philanthropy, family trusts, teaching the next generation. You invest with purpose, impact, sustainability, legacy. Your wealth isn't just yours. It's a tool for change. But here's the trap: forgetting to stay connected to current markets, living in the past. Your strategies get outdated. The move? Blend legacy with learning. Stay curious, stay sharp. Pass down not just wealth, but wisdom.
So, which level are you at right now? Be honest with yourself, because here's the truth. We've all started somewhere, as gamblers, savers, or traders, and that's okay. But the real goal, it's not to beat the market. It's to master yourself through the market. So drop a comment below and tell me, what level are you at? I read every single one. And if you want to learn how to move from saver to investor step by step, watch my next video, The Smart Investor Blueprint. Remember, wealth isn't built in a day, it's built in levels. Now go climb yours.